Good morning, beautiful people. Get ready with us this morning to go to Golden's hearing test appointment. Now, if you are subscribed to us on YouTube or you keep up with us over there, then you're probably already aware that Golden does have a speech delay. And before I proceed, let me just go ahead and throw this out here. I also had a speech delay and did not really start speaking until I was 3 years old as well. Now, I was not nonverbal. I did say the things that I wanted, but I didn't speak up to par with my peers. And the same with Golden. He does speak. He does say words. He does say sentences, sing songs, blah, 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 but he does not speak the same amount as his peers. After realizing that Golden's speech sounded a little muffled when he said certain things, we thought it may be a good idea to get a hearing test just to rule that out. I will be making a part 2, giving you guys all the updates from his hearing test appointment today. I did not want to make this specific video super duper long, so I'm just going to make 2 parts.